Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing of some planners and other sort of school supply materials from Doing Just Speechy, and I'm going to go through each item. But before I do that, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are always notified of my next upload. There we go. It's Doing Just Speechy. She wished me happy planning, so let's see. Okay. So, first we have this little pencil pouch. Cute little glittery pencil pouch. Here's what it looks like. And it has this elastic on the back which slips over the planner. And here's what the zipper looks like, gold zipper with white. And what's nice about this item is that it is clear with the sparkle so you can see exactly what you have in it. Okay, then we have these mini snap-in bookmarks. Each has a different pattern. And then it says on the back, take up minimal space but still save your place with these adorable miniature snap-in bookmark sets. Mix and match and mark your page in style. Clip directly into your LifePlanner or notebook for effortless organization. So it looks like you could use these with other notebooks as well. But I think these are fun, super cute, and helpful. Next we have some stickers. These are what they look like. So we have some speech bubbles, hearts, some different sayings, Planner Gratitude Journal, illustration sticker pack. Show your style and sticker to your plans with over 180 stickers in this rose gold metallic sticker pack. Get creative and develop a sticker strategy to enhance your planning. Super cute. They show an idea or two on the back here of how you could use the stickers in your planner. Infuse your planning with pops of color and bring joy and inspiration to the pages of your planner. The stunning rose gold metallic sticker pack features a mixture of motivational quotes and beautiful watercolor illustrations. So I'll show you this top corner because I think, so we have so grateful, then we have like this watercolor heart. Designed to complement our petite planner gratitude journal, these fun and functional stickers work for any book you're planning in, from the LifePlanner to a deluxe monthly planner and everywhere in between. What we have, which is the most exciting part, is the two planners. Okay, so there's two planners, one for the rest of 2021 starting in July. So we'll start with that one. The other one is for 2022 going up to June. So here's what the first planner looks like. It says you are entirely up to you. So it has this plastic ruler on the front. Here's the front page. This is the daily life planner, July to December 2021. So here's the first two pages. We have some color-coded boxes, and then a calendar layout, just small ones for each month, with like a note section on the bottom there that's lined. I forgot to show or talk about the pattern. So the pattern, and here's what it looks like on the back. It's like this leopard print pattern, but it's in like this gray-brown sort of tone, which I really like. It's, you know, a bold print, but with subdued colors. Okay, so then we also have small calendars for 2022. And then a nice quote, everyone is a work in progress. And then you can see on the side here, different colored tabs for each month. So I'll just show you July. Here's what, it's a full month calendar spread. Name of the month on the top, Sunday through Saturday. It mentions a few holidays, so we have 4th of July. And then there's a small note section on the right side of the page here. And then page of line notes. And then this side, here's what it looks like. It has a box, it just says July 2021, and then there's a bunch of different boxes. So we have this one with these kind of flower pinwheel designs, one with bullet points, one with these dots, like a box grid dot sort of situation, and then one with just a few lines. And then it breaks it down by day. So we'll just look at Thursday, July 1st. So it goes from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. And you can see the times on the side here. And then there's 2 spots for each time slot. And then a miniature of that month's calendar. And then a to-do list that's bulleted. And that's what every day looks like. And then at the end of this month, they put a lined note sheet. So if you wanted more space to take notes for that month, you could do that there. I like this layout. It seems very fitting for day-to-day planner. You have your monthly layout where you can put your big to-dos, like if it's someone's birthday or you have a big project coming up or something like that. It says spread the power of possibilities, and you can go to their website, which is written there, how you customize it so you can tag them on Instagram. You can earn points, redeem rewards. And then these stickers, yeah. So they also have stickers included. So I know I showed you the sticker pack, but they also have stickers in the back of the planner. So these are some pretty like pastel, that have that kind of watercolored look to them. And then these are, they have different labels. So today, rescheduled, canceled this week. There's these round color and gold stickers on the sides. These ones say to do in the middle. These ones are kind of fun. It looks like they're for tracking, like habit tracking, because it has the little circles on the bottom. So it looks like you maybe write whatever that habit is, like yoga. Maybe you have a goal to do yoga every day. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of stickers, which is really nice. So here's ones all for birthdays. So we have happy birthday, let's celebrate, party, cakes, cupcakes, different color rectangles. And then the last page are like these tabs. They're just rectangular tabs. You can't tell, it just looks like gigantic blocks, but they're broken up into little tabs. And then it has a pocket, a double-sided pocket in the back. They have another sticker sheet. This was in the back pocket. Here's what the back pocket looks like. It's this pink salmon color, and then it has the gold drawing on the front, and then same thing in the back. And then we get to the back cover. But before I move on to the next planner, that pocket I just showed you had a couple bonus things in it. So customize your calendar with this enhanced sticker sheet featuring year-round heritage and awareness days, months, and observances. I like that. Here's what it looks like. They're just these labels here. This was also in the back in that pocket. So it's like a mini planner. So this you could maybe carry around with you because it's not very big at all. Here's what it looks like, and it says, plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. This is called the perpetual calendar, and this just came in the back of my calendar and contacts. So here's what the page looks like. So it has the day and one line, so you could write, you know, important things happening on that day. And then it has a section for important contacts, important passwords. See what's in here. It says, welcome to the EC family. We're so excited that you've decided to purchase or invest in yourself by purchasing an Erin Condren Life Planner. There's no time like the present to reflect on what you want to accomplish, reset your goals, and renew your motivation. This planner was intentionally crafted to help you get organized, achieve your goals, and reduce stress, leading to a more joyful, meaningful life through organization. Our team is committed to making this your most fulfilling year yet. Follow us on social to learn tips and tricks along the way, EC team. So you can find them on Instagram at Erin Condren. So this one has this rainbow pattern on it. I think this is kind of their like design / logo. Very colorful. I like all the rainbow. Easy to find in your bag. Same thing with the ruler. And this is the January through June 2022 planner. So these two planners go together. So they're a duo. So the front looks very similar with the color-coded boxes and then miniatures of the calendars. Same thing, same calendar layout. And then you have your month page with those 4 different boxes. You have each day laid out with time slots and the to-do list. Here's the 2 planners side by side. So this one with the leopard print, let me get the folder laying flat on there, is July through December 2021. And then this one that goes with it, the rainbow one, is for January through June of 2022. So these two go together. I will be showing you how I set up my planner, these planners in particular. Today I just wanted to show you what they look like. And until next time, see you later. Bye.